Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Audi remote key fob. The key fob battery is situated behind this panel here, so we need to gain access to it to get at the key fob battery. So first thing we need to do is we need to remove the emergency key fob blade out of the bottom of the fob. We do that by pressing this little silver button here, which releases the blade from the bottom of the fob. Now what we need to do is we need to get a screwdriver and we need to press against the clip that's just situated just down here, which releases this cover. So with your screwdriver at an angle, it goes in the bottom there, across to here, and we press against the clip and it releases the cover. Like so. And you can just see the clip there, what you were pressing against. And there is your key fob battery. So again, just get your screwdriver in and just release it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. You just simply get a new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing, making sure that the writing on the battery is facing upwards and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it all back together. So we get our cover and we just line it all up and just click it back in place. And we just put the key blade back into the bottom. There you go, it's all done.